Good evening. In the last day or so, I've put up 2 videos showing videos 33, 34, 36, 49 and 50, which is some of the first orb videos I did, introducing the new subscribers to these old orb videos. Because I say I've got over 300 videos now, it'd be a bit daunting for them to have to sift through to find what they want, so I'm doing snippets of these to with the numbers on there, so you can go and watch the whole video, or an extended version which has been slowed down so you can see inside what's happening. So this is the 3rd video now, and then we start here. Right, this is the original but it's so fast that it's over in 40 odd seconds. So that was video 66. So I did 67, 68 and 69, all being slowed down and down and down till I got the last one. It's about 9 minutes long, and you could end up nodding off waiting for it to move to the next segment. But if you haven't got that much patience, if you put it on freeze frame, pause, and press the left arrow on your keyboard, that'll take it forward. The right arrow will bring it back, so you can then it's that's in 5-second segments, which you don't get to see everything. But that one in video, I think it's video 68, where that one appears over my mother and father's photograph, and it's 5 conjoined orbs. And when I was a child, we lived in a house which was number 5. There were 5 of us: mother, father, nan, brother and me. I was born on the 15th, my brother was born on the 14th, 4 and 1, 5, and the number 5 seems to crop up, so we said that number 5 was our lucky number. So is that anything to do with these orbs appearing over my mother and father's photograph? Anything to do with that? Or am I overthinking it? It's but I was told that this was an insect flying through the air. Now, I can't see how. Anyway, I'll play it now for you to see. And it'll come there now. Watch it here now. It'll go up there. There it goes. And again, we are now. And at the time I said it looked like a bar of Toblerone, especially when it was sectioned over this part. So that's what I put it up as, the Toblerone orbs. Well, see what you think anyway. Move on to the next one now. This one. on the news. Largest moon in 70 years tonight. Now, the last time this moon was in the sky this size was the year before I was born, so I thought, last chance to see this, obviously. So I went outside, looked up, total cloud cover. Oh shit, I won't be around for the next one. So I went back inside, set the camera up and said, well, if I can't see this large moon outside, perhaps it'll come in to see me. And I filmed this. Oh, it still makes me chuckle. I was watching it and I could see some kind of a shadow moving along, and I thought, oh, is that it? And it's getting brighter and brighter as it's coming along, heading for the window. So I thought, oh, that's possibly it. But then, oh God, you couldn't make it up, could you? You couldn't make it up. Disney would have a job with that one. Move on. Come on now. Right, this 106 is thought orbs, no? 106, that's right, thought orbs. There was a book on the edge of the fire grate. My mother's cousin, Minka Margaret, my mother's cousin and her friend, were killed in Thailand, working in a leper colony. So I'd sat there, holding the book, thinking about them. And then, see this giant orb here? As I put the book down, it swept down, skimmed my head and went off, back up into the ceiling. It is. Look at that. Fantastic, eh? That is thought orbs. Now, this 112 here is orb exits my chest. You see this orb here? It came down over the ceiling. It's about the size of my head, possibly a bit bigger. And as it came down, it came across and disappeared in my head. And I slowed it down, took this section out. This is about a 4-minute video. So I did a slow down section here. I'll show you what happened. It is. That's it. It comes along. And it disappears. Before you can see it's gone. Keep an eye on this section here. There we go. And I asked the members of the jury, can dust do that? No. Right.